Only the top few percent of AI researchers make big money. Everybody else makes a lot less than an average software engineer. Okay guys, now that people who only chase money are gone from the video, I will tell you the truth. Research paper takes 6 to 12 months to write and all you get is 9 likes on X when you finish. Okay, now people that chase fame are gone, I will tell you the secret. Most experiments fail, only a few percentage succeed. Okay, now that everybody is gone, I will actually tell you the secret. The secret is 1,000 hours. Do anything I mention in this video, doesn't matter what, just put in the 1,000 hours. Follow your curiosity and enjoy the chase. Because you ain't getting money and you ain't getting fame anyways. People often ask me, can I do AI research without math because I'm not so good at math? No, actually, you may be able to do some engineering. Remember in high school when your parents were telling you to learn math because you will need it later in life. Now is that later in life. I want you to learn functions that includes linear, quadratic, logarithmic and other types of functions. You just need to be able to draw them and understand how they're drawn. The most important skill for you to learn is how to use ChatGPT or Gemini or LLMs to learn. So ask it to write functions, to explain functions, etc. and anything else you're learning. Then derivatives, vectors, matrices, gradients, everything you didn't study in high school, including basics of probability. And then PyTorch, creating tensors, matmulls, transposing, and all of this you see here, and maybe ChatGPT will give you some other things to learn. Use this as templates and ideations, but you can create your own projects and tasks to do. Then there are neural networks, like coding neuron from scratch, building a layer, implementing a network, RMS normalizations, decaying, optimizers, all of this good stuff. After that, we have transformers, attention, self-attention, GPT from scratch. Making YouTube videos works really well for me because those are the projects I'm doing and it allows me to contribute immediately without first needing to spend so much time. I also recommend either making YouTube videos or creating blog posts, but making long form videos lets you connect to users, so don't be scared of it. There are very good examples of bloggers. This researcher is blogging for about 15 years. Blogs can even land you jobs. A lot of people got jobs at DeepMind OpenAI from just writing a single blog, for example about CUDA or GPUs, but that requires understanding it well. So you can treat it as writing a small book. Just write everything you know about CUDA or rewrite a book in your words and you may learn everything throughout a few months. I personally made this project for pre-training a large language model and we have a bunch of people contributing and we have leaderboards and we implemented so many different research ideas to improve the speed of training. This helped me learn a lot of the latest AI research in LLM